Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing well. As your schools are closed, so you will have to attempt your paper online. So today I'm going to tell you the way how can you submit and view the paper on AIS, okay, with your student portals. So first of all, for that you have to log in with your AIS account by using your BAFOM number and your date of birth. For that, you will have to type the address of the student portal. The address is student.apms.pk. Okay, student. I will repeat the address: student.apms.pk. You will type it in the Google Chrome. Okay, to open your AIS portal. When you type the student.apms.pk, the screen which will appear in front of you is like this. Okay, this will be the screen after you typing the student.apms.pk at the top of your you can top of your search bar. Okay, you will type student.apms.pk and you will see the two boxes, form B number, and the other box is for the date of birth. Okay, you will have to enter BAFOM number and date of birth, and after that you will click on sign in button. And when you click on sign in button, you will be carried to the next screen, which shows like this. Okay, here you can see the download pre-board paper for class 9-10 view assignment subject. You will have your paper here at the bottom area. Already the paper of English and Pak study of class 9th and 10th are there. The paper will be uploaded at 8:30. Okay, you can see your paper exact at 8:30 o'clock in the morning. So you will have to download this paper from here, and after downloading the paper you will have to solve it, and you will be online with the Zoom IDs, and your teacher will monitor and guide you. Okay, and after solving the paper you can submit it on the AIS accounts as well. Okay, for submission I will show you the way how can you submit the paper. So when you have done with your paper, you will have to go to your AIS portal again, and you will sign in with by using your BAFOM number and date of birth. And after signing in, you will see the screen. The first screen which will be shown to you is this screen, and after that you will have to click on the left hand side. Three lines are there. You will click on those lines, and you will be shown the options assignments. Okay, you will click on assignment, and then you will click on submit assignment. Okay, submit assignment, and after clicking on submit assignment you will see select subject. Now you will select the subject for which you are attempting the paper. Okay, first suppose I am attempting the English paper or mathematics paper or Islamic math paper. You will select the subject accordingly. First suppose it's English paper. Okay, that I have attempted. So after that you will click on select week or paper. Okay, you will click on select week. So you will see the first option, upload solved paper pre-board. Okay, you can see there are many options, but you will choose select upload solved paper pre-board. Okay, and after selecting that you can upload the paper here. Remember students, you can only upload PDF files or Word files. You can not upload images directly to the AIS account. Okay, आप images में upload नहीं कर सकते. You will have to convert your images with the doc scanner, या फिर कोई भी आप ऐप इसमें यूज़ कर लें. ठीक है, उसके ज़रिए आपने इसको कन्वर्ट करना है पहले इमेज को PDF फाइल में या फिर वर्ड फाइल में. उसके बाद आपने यहाँ पे क्लिक करना है. Okay, you can see there are ways camera, but कैमरा से आप इसमें अपलोड नहीं कर सकते. So you will select files which have been converted by you already. I will give you the videos how can you convert the files. Okay, so don't worry about that. So here are some of the files which I have converted, and I'm going to upload one of them. It's 1 of 1. First suppose 1 of 1 I have the file. Okay, it's about 0.2 MB, and after that you will click on submit assignment. Yes, submit it. You will click on the button yes, submit it, and okay, file already uploaded. Unfortunately I have already uploaded the file, so I will delete that file. Okay, it's English. Okay, of assignment. I will go into assignment, Unfortunately, if you have uploaded wrong file, you can delete that file as well. So here is the way: delete assignment. You will click on delete assignment and then you will click on select week. तो select week में आपने select करना है बेटा upload solved paper. तो आपने इसको select करना है. तो ये देखिए मैंने एक पेपर अपलोड किया हुआ है, इट्स ऑफ इंग्लिश. तो इसको मैं डिलीट कर देता हूँ क्योंकि मेरी गलती से गलत फाइल अपलोड हो गई, तो मैं इसको डिलीट कर देता हूँ. यस, डिलीट इट. So you can see the file have been deleted. Now I can upload the paper by going into the assignment tab, submit assignment. I will again click on submit assignment and I will select the week. Sorry, first of all subject English. Again we are going to upload the English paper. Again upload solved paper. Okay, after that you will click on the file and you will choose the file. Again I am going to click one of one, okay, this file, and we will try to submit it again. Yes, submit it. Okay, student, you can see that the file have been submitted finally. There was error, it was saying that the file have been submitted already, so we will have to delete the previous file to update the file again. Okay, it is the student, it's the way to upload the file, or you can say the paper on your AIS accounts. So you must have two things with you: your BFORM number and your date of birth, which these two things must be correct. Okay, if you try to enter wrong data, you are not allowed to your AIS accounts. Okay students, thank you. Allah Hafiz.